here a rolling backpack for women. It's really, really pretty, really fashionable. It's gonna be great for travel because it does roll. And it also has this fun little handle that you can pull up and down. And it has wheels, so you can roll it around and you don't have to wear the backpack, but you can also use the straps on the back if you would like. So on the bottom, it has a nice smooth roller. You don't even hear it rolling at all. And then it has an anti-scratch material at the bottom, so stuff's not gonna get scratched on the bottom here and it won't wear it down at all, which is really nice. The fabric of this backpack is waterproof, so it's not gonna get ruined if it does get wet. So it has a nice little handle here if you wanna carry it like this. And then has a close thing, so if you don't want to use it, you can close it up. So like I showed you before, this can go up and down. And you can use this to help roll it around. And if you don't want it, you can close it up, zip it closed. Then on the back here, with the straps, you can hide the straps under here if you don't want to use them. Or if you do want to use them, all you have to do is pull them out here, just like this, and then hook them on the bottom pieces right here. And then it can turn into a backpack that you can use. So it's nice that you can put them back inside here if you don't want to use them, and zip it up. So it's nice you have the backpack style, you've got the handle, and you've got the pulley system, so you can pull it and use the wheels. So this backpack can hold so many different things. So it has a front pocket here just for small little items that you have. Then the middle one right here has a little waterproof one here, this front pocket here, where you can put like toiletries or other little items inside here, which is really kind of fun, and the other things right here. And then this one's going to be great for like small books, stationery, different things, or even like a little iPad, things like that. And then this main compartment's going to be great for clothes, has a little spot to kind of hold some clothes into place. And then in this spot right here, it's going to be great for like a laptop or computer or any iPads. Has another little spot right here, so it's going to have lots and lots of space. And then on the side here, got like a little water bottle you could put over here, or like a phone. And then over here, it's got little USB charging port, and another little side pocket for water or holding like a phone as you're charging, which is really fun and handy. So I got some items to put in this backpack to see how well things fit. So I got some clothes in here that I can just stick in the very, very back. Got some sweaters as well that are nice and big but fit just fine. And then I also got here a big iPad that can fit perfect in that back piece. A Kindle that can fit in this other little small pocket right there. And then this part can get zipped up. And then I can move on to the next zipper. And then right here, this is perfect for books. I can put some books right there. I got some stationery, some little sticky notes that I want to put in here. They work really good in these little pockets right here. And then I've got some pens. There's even little pen spots or pencils that you can just stick in their little spots right there. And then I can zip up this spot right here just fine. And then I can go on to the next section. Then I got some toiletries I can stick right here. So next I've got a makeup brush, my toothbrush. I got some makeup that I can stick in the front, and then some toothpaste, a little mirror, so some items I don't want to get ruined or liquid, I can put in that spot. Then I can close that one up. Then I got some snacks that I can stick in the very front and close that zipper up. And then I got a little phone I can stick right here. And then it has the cord, which I can just plug it in right here. And then on the inside, I can take my other part and then I can plug it into the phone right here, slip it in, and all the cords can just slip down inside there. And then inside this main pocket, I can stick this battery pack on this other side. there's gonna be a spot to plug this piece in right here. And then I can tuck this on in. There's a little pocket on the inside. Tuck that in, zip that back up. And then lastly, I've got myself a water bottle that can fit perfect on the side. Now that my backpack's full, I can use it with these straps and just wear it like a backpack and go wherever I need to go. If I don't want to use the backpack, I can just close the strap up inside and I can just carry it like this, or I can take it, pull this up, and then I don't have to hurt my back and I can just walk with it like this. So once again, this USB charging port is really handy, so you can charge from the outside and have your charging stuff inside, and then have your phone on this pocket here or whatever you're charging, or you could just have it out and about. So this is perfect for travel and on the go. So the USB port has another cord that comes to the inside. You will have to have a power bank to plug it in if you're going to charge stuff, but the cord is inside here, so you don't need a second cord. So you'll just have to have the bank, and then from the other side, you'll have to have your own cord. So it's super nice that you can charge things from the inside and use it from the outside. So right here, it can hold a 15.6-inch computer or laptop or iPad. So it's perfect size and nice and big that you can fit inside here. So this rolling backpack for women is super, super nice. I love how stylish it is. It fits so many different items, has nice compartments, and it has a fun USB port for charging. I love that you can roll it and you can use it as a backpack, either one. So it's gonna be great for travel, on the go, for school, for any type of use for your needs, and it carries so many different items.